Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ding 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 ding.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? So nice to meet you.
Let's start. First open CapCut. Go to New Project and add your one childhood photo and a text video. Text video link is given in the description. Now set format 9:16. Adjust photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Now click on plus icon and add your 7 photos. Adjust all photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. If you don't want animation, you can export now. If you want to add animation, then click on Photo. Go to Animation, then Combo. And apply Distort Right effect to all photos. Now check your video. Now select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.